Do you know this teenager, who has been an internet sensation due to his amazing work in electric car industry? He's a natural-born engineer and has done several engineering projects without working full-time. In this video, we're going to talk about how he left the world amazed with his work on designing a novel synchronous reluctance motor. Robert Sansone, a teenager who loves engineering from Fort Pierce, Florida. He is really good at making things. Even though he was just 17, he's already made about 60 cool engineering projects in his free time. He's made stuff like robot hands, super fast boots for running, and a go-kart that can go faster than 70 miles per hour. His love for engineering makes him stand out as a talented young person in his field. Several years ago, Sansone stumbled upon a video discussing the intricacies of electric cars, which proved to be a pivotal moment in his journey. The video shed light on a critical issue plaguing the electric vehicle industry: the reliance on magnets made from rare earth elements in electric car motors. These rare earth materials, while integral to the functioning of electric motors, pose significant challenges both financially and environmentally. Extracting these metals can be a costly endeavor, with prices soaring to hundreds of dollars per kilogram, compared to the mere $7.83 per kilogram for copper. Determined to address this sustainability concern, Sansone resolved to devise a novel approach to motor design. Drawing on his natural interest in electric motors, which he had previously explored through various robotics projects, Sansone set out to tackle the problem head-on. He learned about a particular type of electric motor known as the synchronous reluctance motor, which stood out for its unique characteristic of not requiring rare earth materials. Although this motor was commonly used in applications such as pumps and fans, its power output fell short of the requirements for electric vehicles. Undeterred by this limitation, Sansone embarked on a mission to enhance its performance. Over the course of a year, Sansone dedicated countless hours to the development of a groundbreaking prototype, a new iteration of the synchronous reluctance motor boasting superior rotational force, or torque, and efficiency compared to its predecessors. Utilizing his ingenuity and resourcefulness, Sansone crafted the prototype using readily available materials, including 3D printed plastic, copper wires, and a steel rotor. To evaluate its performance, he employed a range of testing equipment, including power meters and a laser tachometer to measure the motor's rotational speed with precision. Sansone's tireless efforts and innovative approach did not go unnoticed. His exceptional achievement earned him the prestigious first prize, along with a substantial $75,000 prize, at the Regeneron International Science and Engineering Fair, ISEF, the largest international high school STEM competition. His success not only showcased his remarkable technical prowess but also underscored the significance of his contribution to advancing sustainable technologies in the realm of electric vehicles. Sansone's journey began with a simple idea and limited resources, driving him to create scaled-down prototypes using a 3D printer. With each attempt, he encountered failures, leading to extensive research and troubleshooting sessions. Despite numerous setbacks, Sansone persevered, and on his 15th attempt, he finally achieved success, producing a functional prototype. Testing revealed significant enhancements in torque and efficiency compared to traditional designs. At 300 RPM, Sansone's motor exhibited a remarkable 39% increase in torque and a 31% improvement in efficiency. Even at 750 RPM, it boasted a 37% efficiency boost. However, overheating issues with the plastic components prevented testing at higher revolutions per minute. In contrast, Tesla's Model S motor can reach staggering speeds of up to 18,000 RPM, as per the company's motor designer. Sansone's results were further validated through a secondary experiment, confirming that the observed improvements stemmed from the heightened saliency ratio of his design. Acknowledging Sansone's innovative approach, Professor Hoffman noted the inherent complexity and substantial manufacturing costs associated with synchronous reluctance motors, which could impede widespread adoption. Sansone remains optimistic, citing additive manufacturing technologies like 3D printing as potential avenues to simplify construction processes in the future. As a senior at Fort Pierce Central High School, Sansone aspires to further his education at MIT, utilizing his winnings from the International Science and Engineering Fair, ISEF, to fund his collegiate ambitions. Originally, Sansone hadn't intended to enter competitions. However, upon realizing the potential of a class project to advance his motor research, he seized the opportunity. Following impressive showings at district and state levels, Sansone secured top honors at ISEF, further validating the viability and potential of his motor design. Sansone plans to defer engagements with automotive companies until after extensive testing, with hopes that his motor will one day drive the sustainable revolution in electric vehicles. He envisions a future where his novel motor design eliminates the dependency on rare earth materials, thereby rendering electric vehicles fully sustainable. In Sansone's vision, the successful integration of his motor into electric vehicles represents a pivotal step towards realizing a greener, more environmentally conscious transportation landscape. The significance of Sansone's work extends beyond mere recognition in the realm of science and engineering. His pioneering motor design represents a paradigm shift in the approach to electric motor technology, offering a viable alternative to traditional rare earth magnet-based motors. By circumventing the need for costly and environmentally detrimental materials, Sansone's innovation has the potential to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry, paving the way for greener and more sustainable transportation solutions. To fully appreciate the impact of Sansone's achievement, it is essential to understand the underlying principles of motor operation. Electric motors function by harnessing the power of electromagnetic fields to drive rotational motion. In conventional permanent magnet motors, magnets affixed to the rotor generate a magnetic field that interacts with the stationary electromagnetic field produced by coils in the stator, resulting in rotational motion. However, in synchronous reluctance motors, magnets are replaced by a steel rotor with strategically placed air gaps. As the rotor rotates within the magnetic field generated by the stator, the phenomenon of reluctance, the tendency of materials to resist magnetic flux, comes into play, producing torque and driving the rotational motion of the motor. Sansone's ingenuity lies in his innovative modification of the synchronous reluctance motor design. By introducing additional magnetic fields into the motor architecture, he sought to amplify the saliency ratio, the difference in magnetic properties between materials, thereby enhancing the torque output. While Sansone's specific design details remain confidential as he pursues patent protection, his groundbreaking approach promises to usher in a new era of high-performance, environmentally sustainable electric motors. Looking ahead, Sansone's journey is poised to continue as he navigates the realms of innovation and entrepreneurship. With his sights set on patenting his motor design, he aims to bring his vision to fruition, catalyzing real-world impact in the field of sustainable transportation. As he embarks on this next chapter of his journey, Sansone serves as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring young engineers worldwide, demonstrating the transformative power of passion, perseverance, and ingenuity in shaping a brighter future for humanity.